Very good.
After exam, science edition, you will know.
Yes. Naren? Yes. Yes. One question, one student has asked. Yes, Peter. All the best, everyone. Sophia asked one question. That question I'm going to give. Please, everybody, solve this question. She had one doubt. So the question is what she has given. A ladder set against a wall at an angle of 45 degrees to the ground. Yes. So this is 45 degrees. After that, what she is telling you, the foot of the ladder is pulled away from the wall through a distance of 4 meters. So usually this was the distance y. Now it is pulled away more. Got it? With a distance of 4 meters. Understood. Now the elevation angle has changed to 30 degrees. If the top slides, a distance of 3 meters down the wall take an angle of, so this 3 meter shift is there. Okay? The final height of the top of the ladder from the ground. So this height they are asking. H. Come on, start solving the question, please. Tapashwini, solving height and distance, one question doubt was there, I am solving. Tapashwini, all question doubts over for you. Did you start it or not? Hey, one of my maths book is missing. That was 12th maths, not 10th. Okay, start solving, please. Hello, Mr. Perfect. Now look here. Everyone, please start solving the question. So here, what is the distance given here is? First, if somebody will ask, this will become 90 degrees. So this usually it will be A, B, and C. So in triangle ABC, if you will go with ABC, this will become usual height was this one. So tan 50 degree. I am in class tan. What happened, Vishnu? Yes. So tan 45 degree is equal to h plus 3 by y. Okay. So here y is equal to h plus 3. This will become equation 1. Now in triangle, we will take this triangle as PQR. So now it is coming as P. Sorry, this distance will become PBR. So in triangle PBR. So this time it is coming as tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to h by y plus 4. So 1 by root 3 is equal to h by y plus 4. So y plus 4 is equal to root 3h. So shall we substitute y value here? So here it will become y value is h plus 3. H plus 3 plus 4 is equal to root 3h. So here it is coming as 7 is equal to root 3h minus h. So 7 by root 3 minus 1 is equal to h. We'll take common. So here 7 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 is equal to h. So 7, 1.5 7, 3, 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1, 2 is equal to h. So here 7 into 2.732 by 2 is equal to h. I hope you have done this one. Yes, Vita. So Sophia, I think Ashmita, your doubt I have cleared.
Then you don't clear it, ma'am.
And you
What is doubt in real?
see.
Below that 5 minus root 6 is irrational.
This is your doubt?
I know ma'am, you should take it as a rational.
I'll explain this one, Vita. See, you have to take, see, again and again I'm telling you, in irrational number, what is the question?
5 minus root 6 is irrational.
So 5 minus root 6 is irrational, means take it as p by q. Shift this one this side, 5 minus p by q is equal to root 6. This side is rational, this side is irrational.
They will be given, question they should give root 6 is irrational. We should
It
prove
will be proved. Here left side, right side, so this is not rational. Entire part you have to take it as rational. You have to say that if it is possible, take this one is rational. And then rational will be means it will become p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q will become co-primes. You have to write like that. After writing only, given that situation is coming, you say left side is coming rational, right side is coming irrational. So if left side is rational, right side is irrational, that is contradiction. So it is not true. You are understanding?
but a question they should give root 6 is irrational. They won't give.
But they will give. The entire part is given. In some questions, they will tell you to prove root 6 irrational separately, means then you prove it. Understood? But here 5 minus root 6 completely, because anything added to irrational is irrational, anything subtracted from irrational is irrational. So what we are going to do, just take it equal to, if possible, let 5 minus root 6 is rational. That if it is rational means it will become equal to p by q. I hope you might have understood this one. So now, huh? 5 plus 10 root 3 is also irrational. 5 plus root 3 is also irrational. Where it is rational? It is irrational only. So here after that you have to multiply with this. So 1.3667, 7642, 7642, 46, 4, 17, 21, 5, 2, 7, 7, 8, 9. So some values will come like that. I hope you might have understood. So here, beta, what you have to do is, if this is the ladder, and this ladder is exactly usually present here with 45 degree. So this part was the total distance. After that, what happened? It slided. So once it slided means now it is making 30 degree, but this distance extra it has taken 4 and this distance is reduced by 3. Understood? So first we are taking this total, that is 45. So 45 degree base perpendicular will become 3 plus h, because this one is taken as h and base is y. After that y is increased by 4. Y part is increased by 4 and then that section we have done like that. So one time in triangle, this part is coming, because first triangle we are taking is this one with 45 degree. So when I am taking 45 degree, this part is coming as h plus 3 and this part is coming as only y. So h plus 3 by y. But when I am taking the slided part, that is 30 degree, this part. So now that it is slided like this, now this part is coming as this slide. First this distance was y, now 4 extra it went and this is only h left. So it will h by y plus 4. Then eliminate y, you will be getting the other value. Okay, this was one question. Ashmita, I have solved your question. Another question we are going to solve. See, look here. You go Sobit Bhaiya class, he's teaching better, yeah. He started. He's experienced than me. I'm just a beginner. He's a pro. I'm just don't know how to solve it. I'm also a student, learning from him only. Now look here. A ladder rests against a vertical wall at an inclination of alpha. Okay. So because this is exactly the ladder and it is exactly getting an alpha. Inclination horizontal. If foot pulled away from the wall through a distance p. So that means now same question here. So this is y. Now if it is pulled like this, distance is coming as p. So that its upper edge of distance will be pulled by q. Okay, then the ladder makes an angle of beta. This time the ladder is making an angle beta. Prove that P by Q is equal to cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So this part is exactly taken. Don't think like that. Go for exam without fear. You will be able to get it. Once upon a time, I was also having fear from mathematics. So this part we will take it as height h. So here elimination will be done from h. Okay. So here one time we will take ladder distance we will take or tan we will take. After that we will convert it into sin and cos. So first time it will become tan alpha is equal to h plus q by y. Done. So tan alpha is equal to h plus q by y. So y will be equal to h plus q by tan alpha. Equation 1. Then tan beta is equal to h by, because now this triangle we are taking, beta triangle part we are taking. First we have taken this triangle. In that this was taken h plus q by. Now we are taking this triangle. In this part this will become h by y plus p. So here y plus p is equal to h by tan beta. Done. So here instead of y, can I write h plus q by tan alpha plus p is equal to h by tan beta. So we will be doing one work. Y substitution is there. So y substitution part is going to eliminate h. We need to remove h. Better we will do ratio part, then one section will be removed. Okay. Because they told you to prove this only, na cos beta minus cos alpha. But don't fear about it. Just you will be able to solve this, you will be able to get that one. This question they will not ask, but yes, from where you got this question, sir? Same pattern question only. Then now here it will multiply h plus q plus p tan alpha. Will convert it. Otherwise, one more equation I have to take. Ladder distance need to take. Sin alpha is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse h plus 2 by this one we will take it as z unknown vector. Then now second is sin beta is equal to then z remains same because here hypotenuse part will be there now h by z. Two equations needed, we got two equations. That's it. Just need to substitute because here it will become z is equal to h plus q by sin alpha and then we can substitute z is equal to h by sin beta. I wanted something to eliminate that. Now z we can eliminate easily. So it is coming as h plus q by sin alpha is equal to h by sin beta. So from here h value we can substitute there. That's it. Understood? Because two equations, two part, just substitute and get the equation. This is one thing. Tarun, any question, doubts are there, children, then please. Any question, doubts are there means keep sending the doubts. So this means when you will be writing this part, you just check this one out. Here we need to substitute only h, because now with this equation now you will be getting what? Once you have removed y, then what you are getting? Here it is, once you are removing y means it will become h plus q by tan alpha plus p is equal to h by tan beta. Correct? And here also h is there. So our only one focus is remove h. So once you will be using here h, this much complex question is very simple. So we will not ask this, but here to ask this will be. So now here it will become h plus q sine beta. So here h sine beta plus q sine beta equal to h sine alpha. So because we will shift this one, it will become h sine beta minus sine alpha is equal to minus q sine beta. That's it. H value is coming as q sine beta by sine beta minus sine alpha. Now here from here h value, one value we got, correct? And another here is, if we got h value as, we'll just multiply it. It will become h plus q plus p tan alpha into tan beta, then is equal to h tan alpha. Okay, now we can see the answer. Because here, which one? This section. Here it is minus q. It is h plus q or minus q? H plus q was there.
Here minus q sine beta.
This part I shifted that side, so it will become minus. This section is coming this side now, so minus alpha.
Check next to that
Ah.
minus q sine beta send this side now. So h equal to minus.
Done. So once you have written this one, from here you have to remove h now. So one, because it is all target, h tan beta plus q tan beta plus p tan alpha tan beta equal to h tan alpha. Now after that only one small work you have to do, you have to convert into cos and tan sine. You will get it. So h tan beta minus tan alpha is equal to minus p tan alpha tan beta minus q tan beta. So that after this h will be substituted from this and this, and then sine and cos only conversion is there. Good afternoon. Next question. Anyone is having doubt, please you send the question. One question Ashwita is solved. Now one more. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, Sophia, your question I am going to solve it up. Your question is there, she is asking a question, f of x is equal to x square plus x minus 2. F of x given. After that, find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So this question she is asking, we know that a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 1 and c will be equal to minus 2. So it will become alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. So it will become alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. So here alpha plus beta will become what? Here alpha plus beta is minus 1, correct? And alpha into beta will be minus 2. So this question she is asking now. So alpha into beta is minus 2. So alpha plus beta is minus 1, so it will become minus 1 whole square. Minus 2 into minus 2 by minus 2. So it is coming 1 plus 4 by minus 2. So minus 5 by 2. Done this question. Second question she is asking, her second question is, start solving, start preparing with them. Next part question she is asking, 2024, this question came in CBSE 2024. Will you be able to solve this type question? Now beta another question which is there, and that is 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta. So 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta. So it will come beta minus alpha by alpha beta. Then, and that day I told you, now we can do minus, it will come alpha minus beta by alpha beta. Then, and then alpha minus beta formula I got, that is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta by alpha beta. This is last
alpha
moment.
minus beta. Beta minus alpha.
This will multiply with 1.
Okay.
Then it will become beta minus alpha. If you will take minus common means it will become alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta will be this one. Now substitute the value. Only substitution of value you have to do. And that part is minus root under minus 1 whole square. 4 into minus 2 by alpha beta is minus 2. Understood? So here minus, this part will become 1 and this part is coming as 8 by minus 2. Alpha beta value is minus 2. Minus 2. So a negative is coming. That's it. Because here it is coming as, oh, it is not down. Root 2 is not down. Only this part. Because alpha into beta, na? Alpha into beta is minus 2. So it will become 3 by minus 2. Minus of minus 3, so it will become 3 by 2. Okay? So please solve like this type of questions. Sophia, your problem I have solved. Any other doubts are there? Because I kept doubt session for everybody. You please solve. See, one question Sophie has asked. Please everybody try this question. She is telling the length of an arc of a circle subtending an angle theta. Solve. The length of arc of a circle subtending an angle theta. This is the length of the arc of a circle subtending an angle theta. At the center, numerically, is equal to length of arc of a circle subtending an angle theta at the center is numerically equal to the area of sector. Area of sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. So length of arc formula is what, beta? Can you go for it? Length of arc formula is what? L is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So beta here theta by 360, theta by 360 cancel, pi and pi will get cancel. 2r is equal to r square. So r and r will get cancelled. So radius is coming as 2 centimeter. Tough or easy question? Easy, na? So, but only one thing is that you have to understand this one. Are you understanding how to solve this type of question? Length of arc, whenever they will be asking length of arc means L. L formula will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So like this we can solve. I hope you might have understood how to solve the question. Okay. Now any other question left? Our similar triangle concept will be starting from 4 o'clock. Okay. So that's the last lot chapter. In area part, what and all concepts you are needing, what and all question doubts you are having, you can ask me the questions. I will be solving the questions. Are you all ready for it now? Exams ready? Go take a rest. Start by 4 o'clock. Only similar triangles we will discuss fully. Okay.